Welcome to Solidworks tutorial for beginners. In this video, you will find how to create basic shapes in Solidworks. To get started, let's go to File, New, select Part, and click OK. Once you have done that, you'll get into this interface. Now, you have to understand that SolidWorks is a 3D modeling software, which means you will be working in 3-dimension systems. So to ease your workflow, there are 3 planes right here labeled as front plane, top plane, and right plane. Those planes are the representative of each axis. To show them, click on the front plane, hold down the Shift button on your keyboard, and press on the right plane. Right click and press the I button to show off the 3 planes you have selected. To deselect all of them, click on the white space area available. Now to navigate around the view, to rotate the view, you can press the middle mouse button and drag around this to rotate the view. To pan the view, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and press the middle mouse button, drag around to pan the view. To zoom in and out of this view, use the scroll wheel. To zoom in, you have to scroll down. To zoom out, you will have to scroll up. Once you know how to navigate around the view. To get started, you have to select a plane to draw something. In this case, we will select the top plane and press the sketch button right here. Now, if you realize there is one new item created right here in this corner labeled as sketch 1. For every sketch we created, will be put in these sketch items right here. To get started, let's draw a simple line. To draw a simple line, press the line buttons right here. Once you press the line button, you will see your cursor now turn into a pencil with a line indicator. Now you can plot a line. To draw a line, you have to first plot the first point of a line. Simply doing that by clicking left mouse button, drag it out, and plot the other end of the line. You can continue to draw or to plot the third point of a line, but if you don't want to, press the exit button to finish drawing the line. Next, let's look at how to draw a circle. To draw a circle, press on the circle button right here. If you don't see this, you can press on this small triangle button right here and select the circle. To draw a circle, you have to first plot the center point of a circle and then drag it out to define the radius of a circle. And once you finish drawing the circle, you will see the circle is now in a shaded region. You can also use the other way to draw a circle, which is the perimeter circle, which in this case, you will have to plot 3 points of a circle. First point, second point, and third point. Same goes to the line. You can use other options to plot a line. Now let's move on to create a square or a rectangle. You can do that by selecting the center rectangle, plot the center of the rectangle and drag out to plot the corner of the rectangle to create a rectangle shape. Now, how about drawing a triangle? To draw a triangle, you can use the polygon options right here. Click on that and plot somewhere on the screen, drag it out. Now you will see this is not a triangle because it has more than 3 sides. To do that, to change the sides number, you can head over here and key in number 3 on your keyboard. When you press enter, it will change to a triangle. Once you're done and happy with the sides or the polygons that you want, click on the green check sign here. That's it all to draw simple shapes like circle, rectangle, and a triangle. To draw a more complex shapes, for example, merging 2 different shapes together to form another polygons, which will be covered in next video. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching.